today? How are you all today? Good morning, good morning. How are you? Good morning, good morning. How do you do? Good morning, good morning. How are you? Good morning, good morning. How do you do? Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Hello. How are you? Are you all fine? Yes? Okay. And yes, the morning part which we always used to do, let's do that. Okay, for that, all of you please settle down. Please settle down, settle down. Okay, all of you settle down. Siddhartha, are you eating something? A bird can fly, isn't it? Yes? So a bird and a butterfly is a living thing or a non-living thing? A bird and a butterfly. Yes, you can do it like this. Flapper, flapper, flapper. Oh, you all loved it. Yes? You all loved it, isn't it? Yes? Flapper, 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 flapper. Goes like this. Yes? Okay. Okay. Can fly up high in the sky. Birds have wings. Butterflies have wings. They flap, yes, their wings like this, and then they fly up high in the sky. Do we have wings? Do we have wings? No. Then what do we have to move? What do we have? What do we have? Legs. Yes, we have legs. How many legs do we have? How many legs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 legs. Yes, we have got 2 legs. And then 2 hands. Yes? 2 legs and 2 hands. Yes? And with the help of hands, we do our work. Yes or no? We do different kind of works. Like we write, we draw, we paint, we color. Isn't it? Yes? Yes or no? So, what are we? Tell me. We are also living things. Yes? We are also living things. And among all the living things, we are, I have told you, I guess, I have told you in my last class. Yes? We are we animals? Are we animals? Anuklit, Siddhartha, what are we? Hishi, Bibhan, who can tell me? Tenzin Khanjo, Ridan, Prapti. Yes, we are. What are we? Human beings. Great job. Yes, we are human beings. Yes. Yes, we are human beings. Yes? Good. Okay. Okay, here we go now, okay? Can you all see?
Non-living things.
Non-living things. Now, what you need to do is click on the non-living things. Only you need to click on the non-living things. Now, here is a ball. So, you need to click on like this. Yes? And what about the next one? Is it a living thing or a non-living thing? This one.
Non-living things.
And the third picture is a boy. So, boy is a living thing or a non-living thing?
It's
Living thing. So, okay, so we are not going to click. The next one is a car. So, car is a living thing. Non-living thing. Yes, yes. And then next is a guitar. Non-living thing. Yes? Okay. What about a monkey? What about a monkey? Monkey is a living thing or a non-living thing? Living thing. So we are not going to click. Then what about this yummy yummy ice cream? Non-living thing. Flower. Flower is a living thing. So we are not going to click. Book. Book. Yes. Shoes. Non-living thing. Are we going to tap a tiger? Tiger? No, tiger is a living thing. Okay, okay. And then next is, okay. Okay, so finish. This way we are going to do it. Yes? Okay. This is it. The last work, yes? Last time we did this, yes? Yes or no? And this is of the activity of colors, yes? We did with for the color. Like this is green, green, and this is yellow, yellow. The background is blue, This is orange, yeah, this is orange. And this is purple, stripe. And this is pink, yes? Okay? See? Colors, yes, I like colors. Do you like colors? Oh, Bivan has made that, this border also. Yes? Bivan has made the border also, isn't it? And these things, listen, these things you can keep in you can decorate your room, your own room. Okay? As a timeline, you can keep them. See, what I was saying is, like this year, we are having online class. Yes or no? Yes or no? We are having online class. This is the second year that you are having the online class. And you can keep as a record. When we were on our online class, we used to do these things. We have done this thing. You can keep them as a record. Yes or no? Pandemic year, right? Yes, so you can keep them as a record. Okay? Okay? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay,
ma'am.
I'm also ready. So let's start. Okay? Okay, so as I said, we are going to make a tree. And tree is a living thing or a non-living thing? Tree is a living thing. Yes. Okay, okay. Oh, everyone is busy making the tree. Okay. Vidushi is very much into the processing. Okay. Nivan. Oh, you are showing me some dance over there. Yes, Nivan. You are showing me some dance. Yeah, you are hopping. You are dancing or?
I was only excited.
Oh, I see. You are very much excited. Okay. Okay. that you are going to make this, no? Okay. 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 So then afterwards, that means it seems like you like this art and craft work very much. You like drawing very much, isn't it, Nivan? Yes. Okay. 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 Okay, so we had a very great time. So bye-bye. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Okay, bye. Okay, so bye-bye.